Welcome the reloads of this party celebration. Brexa together with her proud and loving parents. So sa lahat po ng mga bata, are you ready for the exciting fun games? Yes or no? So if yes, let me hear your palakpakan everyone. So everybody, it's time for you to experience for yourself the magical place to this is the Jollibee Fairy Tale Land Party. Every decor you see hanging, every color you see on cake is a manifestation of life celebration. Friends, welcome to Jollibee Fairy Tale Land Party. Yes, darling, it's time for you to play the music. Greetings from the Fairy Tale Land Party. It's time for us to celebrate Brexa's second birthday celebration. I'm your host, I'm Kuya Del. With me is my party assistant, my friend, he is Kuya Daniel. Once again, welcome to Jollibee Rizal Park.
Everywhere the kids are excited, all of the rhymes, bringing smiles and laughter, and the ever after. So come on over, where joy abounds. So come on over, friends, to Jollytown Theme Park.
So once again, this time, we are proud to presenting to you the reloads of this party celebration. Together, we're proud and loving parents sa masigabong palakpakan ng John Ford. Daddy sharing all loving days together. With the birthday girl, please welcome Brexa, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, presenting the proud and loving beautiful mommy sa masigabong palakpakan for Mommy Grace. Presenting the proud and loving handsome daddy sa masigabong palakpakan naman dyan for Daddy Jericho. Together with the family's bundle of joy, the family's inspiration in life, celebrating her second magical birthday party, Sino My Birthday, please welcome Brexa, ladies and gentlemen. And this time to bless the party, calling out for Ate Princess to lead the opening prayer. Sa lahat po ng ating mga bisita, kindly stand up as we bless Brexa second birthday celebration. Sa lahat po ng mga kids, let's all stand up. Let us put ourselves in the holy presence of the Lord. This time, calling out for Ate Princess.
Good afternoon, everyone. Let's bow our head and give the present to the Lord. Lord, thank you very much for this day because you give us opportunity to celebrate it. May the Lord make Brexa happy today and give them a healthy body and hug them when they need you. And help them to reach their dream, to make it come true, and always watch over her and make her always happy. And always guide her, always take care of them. Amen.
The sabi sabihin sa atin, wala po muna upo. It's time for us to open the joy of happiness only here at the Fairy Tale Party. So, tayo lang po sama-samang babatiin si Brensa ng pinakamalakas at pinakamasayang happy birthday pag-count ko ng 3. So, ating sasabihin pinakamalakas, pinakamasaya, happy second birthday, Brexa. So, for Mommy and Daddy, it's time for you to embrace our magical greeting for Brexa. Hi, Brexa! Good afternoon. Happy birthday! It's time for you to embrace our magical greeting to your second birthday. So, let's get ready. Are you ready to share the jolly greetings? Yes or no? Yes! If yes, let me hear your palakpakan, everyone. So muli, pag pinaka pa ng 3, sasabihin po natin Kuya Daryl, pinakamalakas, pinakamasaya, happy second birthday, Brexa. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1, say, happy second birthday, Brexa! I love the energy. Tuloy-tuloy natin yan. So muli, pag pinaka ng 3, tayo lahat ay sama-sama papalakpak habang kinakanta ang pinakamalakas, pinakamasaya, happy birthday with the beat of music. Sing with us. 3, 2, 1. Everybody sing happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Mas malakas at mas masaya. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Brexa. Once again, let's say it one more time all together. 3, 2, 1, say, happy second birthday, Brexa. Isa malakas na palakpakan naman dyan for Mommy, Daddy. Together with the birthday celebrant. Maupo na po tayong lahat for the parents. You can settle down also. It's time for you to witness the happiness only here at the Fairy Tale Land. We're gonna experience the magic. At alam ko lahat ng mga bata handa na po mag-participate sa ating games. So sa mga bata, good afternoon. Are you ready for the games? Yes or no? Yes! Yes, of course. I love. Ayan, nalakas ang energy ko yun. Gusto kaya na the kids are feeling ecstatic. So magpapakilala po muna kami. Magandang hapon po, ako si Kuya Tel, your party host. Kasama ang aming party assistant, he is Kuya Dar. At ito po ang second birthday ni Brexa kasama ang kanyang proud and loving parents na sina Mommy and Zaddy. Hello Mommy and Zaddy, good afternoon po. Handa na po ba tayo maglaro mamaya? But for now, yung mga Jolly Kids muna maglalaro. Our first game is very magical and very colorful. Ang isa si Kuya Daryl, maipapakita ang mga rubber mats. Pag tinaas si Kuya Daryl ang mga rubber mats, all you have to do is to tell him kung anong kulay ang hawak niya. Handa na pa kayo, kids? Okay, kids, what color is that? Very good. The next one is... Very good. The next one is... Orange. The last one is... Blue. So how to play the game? Magpiplay po kami ng music and while the music is playing, ang gagawin lamang natin is to spin around the corners na parang ganito. Halimbawa, sinabi ko 1, 2, 3, spin. Ikot naman po. Laro-laro. Ako. Ganon. Pag nagstop ang music, that's the time for you to choose the color you want. For example, gusto ko sa pink, pupunta ako sa pink at may hawak po ako ng 4 na card. The 4 cards corresponding the 4 corners of the rubber mats. Ipapabunod po sa ating mga parents. For example, bubunod po si Ma'am Melissa. Hello Ma'am, good afternoon. Can you get one po? At halimbawa, kung anong kulay po ang nabunod na card, ay sila po ang maaaw. Kaya Kuya Karen, bago tayo mag-start, for them to play very well, nais po namin na lahat po ng mga bata ay sasali. Yung mga nasa likod, let's go. It's time for you to meet new friends, learn new things at your age, and jolly memories. And of course, enjoy the magical game here. Ready na ba kayo, kids? So, ready na? Stand up po tayo, tapos magkapit ng kamay. Tapos mag-form ng bilog around the colorful rubber mats. Let's see ba? Kuya Darren, kindly assist them to hold hand each other and form a big circle. Sige, kids. Hawak-hawak muna tayo ng kamay. Kuya Darren will lead you to go around po. Sige po, hold your hand each other and make a big circle. Tapos, spread out. Paalala po ni Kuya Zo, let's play safe and happy. Walang magtutulakan, walang magtutunahan. Okay? Spread out, Kuya Darren. Spread out po. Okay po? Spread out. Stretch po, stretch. At tapos, hands down para makabungkay ng maayos. Bitaw ng kamay. At bago tayo mag-start, pwede po ba ating pong palapakan ang ating mga Jolly Kids para pakalagyan sa ating mga players? Let's find out who will be the lucky player to proceed to our next round. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, spin! Stop, choose the color you want. Pwede sa pink, pwede sa yellow, pwede sa blue, pwede sa orange. Pwede mo mag-change color in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Don't move. Wala nang lilipat. At bago mo po ipapulot ang ating card, habang sinashuffle mo po ang card natin, ay awitin po natin ang pinakamasayang happy birthday Brexa. Okay, kids? Sabayan niyo ako. 1, 2, 3, sing! Happy birthday, Brexa! Happy birthday, Brexa! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Brexa! Alright, so mag-get one card po. Huwag mo lang i-open para surprise. Let's find out ano kaya ang nilalaman ng color card na ito. Clue, ang card na ito or ang color na ito ay may letter N. So anong kulay kaya ang may letter N? It's either orange or blue. Yung mga batang nasa yellow, it's orange or pink po pala. Yung mga batang nasa yellow at blue. Pasok na po sa next round. Congratulations! Alright. Okay, sumama tayo kay Kuya Karen sa right side. Orange and pink. Ang stand mo na dito, alam mo nang gagalaw. Silang muna kayo dito. Yung mga blue at yellow nyo po kayo sa may right side po, sa may gilid, Kuya Karen. Si Ate na po ang thank you and sit down para sa bata or sa mga batang nakatayo sa kulay pink. Yes, maraming salamat. See you next week. Okay, pwede po ba sa mga pasok sa next round, magkapit po ng kamay, tapos mag-form ng T-circle again. Getting ready for the round 2. Okay, choose the color very well. Ready? 1, 2, 3, spin! Choose the color you want. Pink, yellow, blue, or orange. Wala nang lilipat. Walang nagdito sa yellow, Kuya Dan. I-spin mo lang yung yellow, pero tatanggalin ko ang yellow sa choices natin. Tatanggalin ko natin ang yellow. So we have 3 choices na lang. Blue, orange, or pink. Sing ulit tayo. 1, 2, 3, sing. Happy birthday, Brexa. Happy birthday, Brexa. Louder. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Brexa. Get one. Huwag mo lang i-open. Shh. Alright. Ang kulay. Excited na ba kayo malaman kung anong kulay ko? Yes, ang kulay na ito ay may letter E sa dulo. Ang E po ba? May letter E. Wala. Mga batang nasa P, pasok na sa next round. Congratulations. Alright, say thank you and sit down para sa mga batang nakatayo sa kulay blue. Maraming salamat. You will go back to your seat. Congratulations. Sa mga batang pasok sa next round, alright? We have 2 more 6 kids na lang, Kuya Darren. Para sa ating last round, this is the final round na po. So tatanggalin po natin ang yellow sa choices. We have 3 choices na lang po. Sa round na to, 2 kids per color na lang, Kuya Darren. So 2 kids per color na lang. At ang mabubunot po na kulay ay winner na. Panalo na yung mabubunot. Okay. Alright, ready? Sino kaya ang winner sa ating magical color game? Again, kung anong kulay po ang mabubunot is winner na. Paunahan na lang sa pag-step on sa kulay natin, Kuya Karen. So, 2 kids per color na lang po. Ready? 1, 2, 3, speed! Stop! 2 kids per color na lang. Ayun. Lipat yung isa. Ayun. Ayun na ulit. Ayun. Alright. So, eto na. Aawit ulit tayo na Happy Birthday, Brexa. 1, 2, 3, and Happy Birthday, Brexa. Happy Birthday, Brexa. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Brexa. Alright. Get one card. Huwag mo nang i-open. Para surprise. Anong kulay kaya ang nabulot ni Kuya? Ang kulay na ito ay may letter N ang kulay na ito. It's either pink or orange ang malala. Mga batang nasa blue, thank you for joining your video. Alright, Kuya Dario, it's time for you to reveal the color. Pagkago ng 3, open mo ang card sabay-sabay. Congratulations para sa mga batang nakatayo sa kulay! Congratulations sa talo yung pink. Maraming salamat. Yung mga nasa orange, you may go back their seat. Tapos yung mga batang nasa pink, bibigyan po natin sila ng mga sari prizes. Where are the winners? Meron kayong tag-isang lapis at tag-isang mini notebook. Maraming salamat. Alright kids, are you having fun? Are you ready for the second game? Para sa ating second game, just like the color wheel, we gonna play the musical chair Kuya Daryl na kung saan magsiset up si Kuya Daryl ng ating paupuan dito sa gitna na kung saan 6 players will proceed to matching seats. Just like the color wheel, pag-play po kami ng music at while the music is playing, all we have to do is to spin around again at the chairs. Pag nag-stop ang music, uupo. Meaning to say, 6 players will proceed to match up until tatlo na lang po ang maiwan. Tapos, we have 2 winners sa game na ito. At bago tayo mag-start, pwede po ba stand up muna tayo kids? Tapos magkapit ng kamay, tapos mag-form ng big circle. Invite po natin yung mga ilo pala sa pwede mo kayo sumaw. Okay, let's go. Alright. Okay, magkapit-kapit po ng kamay, tapos mag-form ng big circle. Big circle, tapos spread out. Kailangan sumasayaw kayo kids ha, kailangan nakikita po namin yung content ng mga bata. Pwede kayo mag-shake-shake ng body, pwede mag-bigil-bigil, pwede mag-wave-wave, okay? Alright, so are you ready? Let's get ready for the first one. Kuya Daryl, kindly assist them to play the music. At paalala po ni Kuya Ted ulit, let's play safe and happy. Walang magtutulakan, walang maghilakan. Alright? Spread out po tayo so that we can move very well. Tapos hands down, ikaw po ng kamay para magalaw kayo ng maayos. Okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, speed! Excited na ko nakita pagkakaroon at magkasigawan. Jollibee ang favorite ko kaibigan. Sarap sa Jollibee, sa sweets. Alright, yung mga hindi nakaupo, maraming salamat. You may go back to your seat. Yung mga nakaupo, yung bulang tatayo. Because we are getting ready for the second round. Congratulations! Alright. Masigado mo na yung mga hindi nakapasok sa next round. Congratulations to our top 6! Tayo po tayo ulit. Bawat isang upuan, kailangan tayo i-arrange the chairs properly so that it is ready to sit down. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3, start! Sarap sa Jollibee, iba sarap yes! Thank you po! Congratulations to our top 5. At this round, 4 players will proceed to the next round. Alright kids? Para mas exciting, you have to stand away from the chairs at medyo marami sa mga upuan. Para mas fun at exciting. Ready? 1, 2, 3, speed! Madala, ang Johnny's party. Labis na po for my birthday. Yay! Thank you for joining! Good job! You may go back to your seat. Alright, 3 players will proceed to the next round. Malapit na tayo sa final round. Malapit na tayo sa exciting part. Ang mananalo po ay makakakuha ng pencil case orange. Jollibee Made. Alright, here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, spin! At nakakasama ang aking present pamilya. Yes! Sinagdaan mo na tayo! Maraming salamat! Congratulations to our top 3 presents na final round! Final round na tayo sa kids! Bakit na kailangan medyo malayo tayo sa mga upuan? Huwag muna nalapit sa upuan hanggang hindi pa nag-i-stop ang music. Sa malakas na palakpakan naman dyan sa ating top 3. All boys ang naiwan sa ating paalam ng Kuya Daryl. Ready? 1, 2, 3, swing! Jollibee! Going down to our third game, para sa ating third game, this is fun and exciting. Kasi, we're gonna play the longest greetings. Babatiin po natin si Brexa ng pinakamahaba. Happy birthday, Brexa! Ganda, so all the best. At feeling ko talaga ang mga Charlie's mommy ay nag-practice yesterday to sing Happy Birthday, Brexa, the longest greetings, alright? Who will be the first singer? The first singer will be you! Alright, ito na. Babaya na kalisan sila sa next game natin ngayon, alright? Hello po, magandang hapon. Ano po pangalan ko? Si Ross. Ilang taon na po? 8 years old. Nag-aaral ka na ba? Anong paborito mong baon sa school? Marami siyang paborito baon. Hindi na lang mag-recite. Ganon. Iba-iba yung paborito niyang baon. Dati ka na mag-sing? Ganto na na. Happy birthday, Brexa. Tapos count po tayo para kay Rosa kasi the more na marinig po ng ating pera ng ating count-off, the more na ginagaling nila. So natin na 1, 2, 3, sing.
Happy birthday, Bexa!
Palakpakan, you're a great singer. Pasok ka na sa next round. Dito ka muna uupo. Let's find out kung mapipili ng pangalawang singer ang 28 seconds mo. Remember, score to beat, 28 seconds. Good afternoon, it's your turn. Kung dito ka na ba? Ano sa iyo? Ano pangalan mo? Dito ka na din si Toto. Toto! Isa mo na ka sa palakpakan naman dyan para kay Toto. 1, 2, 3, sing.
Happy birthday, Bexa!
10 seconds para kay Toto. Maraming salamat, Toto. Ang ganda ng boses mo. Life-changing. So, ito na. Let's po. It's your turn. Pangalan po. Si Clark. Mabibigay ang Clark ang 28 seconds ni Kuya Rox. Sa kina 1, 2, 3, sing.
Happy birthday, Bexa!
7 ang may kasama. Halgak-hak. What is your name? Okay. Ready ka na po bang mag-sing? Ready na siyang mag-sing. Ang cute-cute mo naman. Ang ganda-ganda naman ang damit mo. Nung bata ako, meron din akong ganito. Kulay hair. Mga 20 pieces ito ako nung bata. Kuya Dari. Tapos kahapon sinuot ko hanggang dito na lang siya. Alright. Ready ka na ba? Okay. 1, 2, 3, sing.
Happy birthday, Bexa!
Ayan, pero ang galing-galing naman. Happy birthday! Galing-galing mo naman. Pangalan po, TJ. Okay, tandaan po natin, score to beat, 28 seconds. 1, 2, 3, sing. Yes! Nakakatawa. Wala sa nakakatawa sa pagkaso. Brum, brum, brum. Naging motor. Happy right time. Next po, pangalan po. Ready ka na mag-sing? Hindi ko talaga kagalingan mo. Ito na. Score to beat, 28 seconds. 1, 2, 3, sing.
Happy birthday, Bexa!
Ang lakas ng boses. Hindi lang nasa-street ko yan. Next po. Hi! It's your turn. What is your name? Si Sensen. Kung may si Toto, may Sensen. Si Tata. Favorite ko na si Tata. Favorite ko tuloy. Appear. Si Tata. Huwag kang mag-alala na kaya. Bibigyan ka namin ng chicken joy tapos water. Chicken joy and water. Okay? Ready ka na mag-sing, Sensen? Okay? 1, 2, 3, sing.
Happy birthday, Bexa!
Diyan kayo. Sino pa kaya ang ating next singer? Ito pa. Dito ka na. Ikaw pa rin ang ginagawa ng 28 seconds. So, eto na. Anong pangalan ko? Si Yulo. Ready ka na mag-sing? Inhale, exhale. Water. Gusto mo ng water muna? Okay na. 1, 2, 3, sing. Salamat namin, maraming salamat. Good job. Ikaw pa rin ang ating defending winner. Sino pa kaya? Hi po! Gusto mo mag-sing? Ikaw gusto mong kumanta? Sino pa? Hi po. Saan po? Yung naka-black. Ayun si Sir. Saan po? Okay, mamaya may naka-reserve na dito. So, obviously, we have a winner na. Isang malakas na palakpakan naman siya para kay Lee. Over 28 seconds. Dahil dyan, naglalaman ng Jollibee and Window. Sa lahat po ng mga batang sumali, maraming salamat. This time para sa ating adult game, isang adult game lang to. Very quick, fun, and easy. So for Mommy and Daddy, kindly help me to invite or call out the name of your friends and family na maglalaro. 5 girls and 5 boys po, mga adult na sir. Okay, so masakit sa mga tatawagin po ni Jackie ay pwede na po. Sorry. Dana sa ako. Guys. Yunus. Example. Kasunan. Okay, so once again, Daddy, maraming salamat for inviting your friends and family to participate sa ating one adult game. So players, meron tayong 10 members bago tayo mag-start. Group yourselves into 5 members. Look for your group members. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So, kulang pa tayo ng dalawa. Ayun po, sige lang, isa pa. Meron tayong dalawang group, isang Team Jolly Red at isang Team Jolly Yellow. For Team Jolly Yellow, please fall in line po. 3 guys. For Team Jolly Red, please fall in line also.
Ay, diretso. Laro lang kanila diretso.
Alright, so once again, step number 1, first thing to do is to form a straight line. Kailangan i-split po yung mga pinakakit. Mamaya, i-straight-line po yung game natin. Tapos step number 2, Kuya Darren and I will demonstrate on how to play the game. So for example, kami po yung mga players. Pag sinabi ko 1, 2, 3, go, start na yung game natin. Ang unang pupunta sa unahan ay si first player. Tatakbo na mabilis. Hihinto, gamit ang dalawang kamay. Pagpapatungpatungin ang mga tower cups. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Got it? Got it. Right after you put together the sour cups, i-collect mo natin siya sa pinakamabilis na paraan. Ganito po ang technique. Watch me. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Nakuha? Nakuha. Pagkatapos na natin mamalit, ipapasa sa second layer. The second layer will do the same. Ipapatok agad. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and so on, and so on. Sino po ang ating mga last players? Ang mga last players, kayo po ang magsha-shoutout ng Happy Birthday Rexa dito sa unahan. So ang gagawin nyo, hindi na kayo babalik sa ka-groupmate nyo pagka-collect ng mga cups. Stay lang kayo dito, itataas ang mga cup na parang cheerleader, tapos sasabihin, Happy Birthday Rexa! Pagkasino na, automatic na gala. Pero kung wala kayong fear of heights, at kung wala kang fear of heights, pwede mong umakyat sa upuan, tapos sasabihin mo, Happy Birthday Rexa! Pag umakay ka sa upuan, sure wait na to, kasi alam natin na sila yung nauna. Kaya eto na. Pwede pa po tayo mag-change ng last player. Kung sino ang gustong mag-shout out in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay na po? So ma'am, paano niyo po isa-shout out ang Happy Birthday Rexa? Alright? Yes, you are. 1, 2, 3, say. Sino yung mag-shout out ng Happy Birthday Rexa?
Ito bidang-bida ang saya. Wait lang. Ha? Ayun na. Happy birthday, Betsa.
Diba, practice pa lang yun, pero parang winner na. Sino po yung taga-shoutout mo? Paano po si Ito na sir? Sige na, ito na. Ito na po, sige. Ito ka na po. Ito ka na po. At ito ikaw na lang mag-shoutout. Ikaw na last player. Sige na. Dahil dyan, ikaw na. Ikaw na. Simple lamang yung happy birthday prank sa yung sisigaw na. Sige pa, pasample naman dun sir, pag may pasasabihin. Happy birthday prank. Okay, mamaya. Tahimik na siya sa umpisa, pero mamaya, gagawin na yan. Sige boys, please, konti mabalik tayo sa pila. Okay. Nakitandaan, sisigaw lang ang happy birthday prank para manalo. So, paano po yung nagagalingan kung walang malakas na palakpakan? Palakpakan naman yan sa ating mga players. Okay, ready na ba? Ready na? 1, 2, 3, start! Johnny Red! Third time for Team Johnny Yellow! Ayan na! Malapit ang isigaw ang Happy Birthday Brexa! Ikaw collect the sour cups. Tapos sasabihin, 1, 2, 3, congratulations! I told you yung boys team tahimik lang talaga sila sa umpisa pero ang galing-galing nila. Maraming salamat girls and your factors. Thank you so much for being such a good sport at this time. Calling out to all the boys team to please go back to the stage to get your prizes po. Sige, palaan po ng boys. Please go back to the stage muna because I will give you your prizes. Sige pa, dito kayo boys. At pwede po magpa-picture po yung boys team natin kasama si Brex at si Mommy and Daddy. Sige lang kayo boys. Kasi kayo yung mga grand winners natin. Dito po. Yes po. Let's go. Alright. So congratulations for you po. Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining po. Thank you for joining and thank you for joining. As a po isang member, wala pang prizes. Meron na po lahat. Okay, so once again to all the winners, thank you for joining. Sa mga non-winners naman, thank you so much for being such a good one. At this time, I request everybody to please go back to your proper seats. Now serving na po ang ating food. And I request everyone to please avoid hopping from one table to another so that we can serve your food properly. Sa lahat po ng mga bata guys, support na kayo, ibalik ko na sa inyong mga upuan kasama ang inyong mga parents. For our proper should there be any other request, feel free to approach the guardians of the family and happy to assist you. Once again, enjoy your meal and enjoy the rest of the party over here at Brett's second birthday at the very beginning. Again, mamaya sa ating pagbabalik more exciting activities we will experience kasama si Besta Jollibee Plus. We're gonna witness Brexa to blow her candle on the cake for Mommy and Daddy. Mamaya sa ating candle blowing, kindly prepare your birthday wishes for Brexa before she blow her candle on the cake. At this time, Mama and Sir, you may go back to your seats muna, catch up with your friends, and enjoy your Jollibee's Love Up Meal.